Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Tag. You plus her. Hit. You, her, hit. Tag, you're it. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hello, everyone, and welcome again to our show. We have a newcomer to introduce on our program today, this young lady on my right. Her name is Julie Kingsford, and we're delighted to have you join us. And you have Crystal.
Yeah.
You're into Crystal.
It's magic.
Is it going to work for you?
Yeah.
Is it going to make you a big winner?
Mm-hmm.
Has it helped you win anything else?
It kept my plane from crashing.
Kept your plane from crashing. Can I borrow it?
No, it's mine.
No, it's mine. Sorry. Here you go, Julie.
Thanks.
Good luck to you. You're going to have some fun with us, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
Watch out for Tom. Tom's a good player. Tom Buzan. Welcome back, Tom. Thanks. House husband. His wife works in television here in Southern California, and he stays at home and looks after the little one, who is 15 months old?
15 and a half.
15 and a half?
Right.
Little boy?
Little girl.
Right. What's her name?
Glenn.
Glenn. Your first one, I take it.
Oh, God, yes.
She's special and precious
Oh,
at that age, right?
Right.
Are you doing a good job of raising her?
Doing a darn good job.
Okay. Take a look over here. We have something good for you guys in this first game.
Part of Kay Jewelers' classic collection, this impressive ring, crafted in 14-karat gold, features an oval amethyst surrounded by sparkling diamonds, a beautiful addition to any woman's wardrobe. Furnished by Kay Jewelers.
And that beautiful ring can be found on the board, hiding behind number 11. Now, in addition, we have a great holiday in this game, a vacation in Cozumel, Mexico.
Right.
Julie, squeeze that crystal and make a selection. Pick two numbers.
Okay, I'll start with 17.
Fishing equipment.
And I'll look under number 4.
Cozumel, Mexico.
All right.
No match, Tom?
Boy, I'd like that trip. Number 18.
Cookware.
Cookware. How about 5 in the corner?
Scooter and skateboards. No match. Julie, when you were flying and you were kept safe with the crystal, where were you flying in from?
Eureka.
Eureka.
Yeah, California.
Here in California. All
yeah.
right.
Okay, let's look under number 1.
Red take.
And a match for a wild card under number 20.
His and her gym membership. Tom?
23.
Scooter and skateboards.
Was that under number 5?
I believe it was. And so the first match is yours. You're the veteran here. You're the one with experience. Let's see what happens as we open these two panels. It's always so frustrating when one of them opens on a clear blue sky. Just a little wee bit showing. Pick again.
Number 2.
Cookware.
Ooh. Number 17.
No, that's fishing equipment, so maybe Julie can make 2 matches.
Thank you. Number 18, please.
That's the cookware.
And the match under number 2.
That's right.
All right.
There's a match for the young lady and an opportunity to look at the puzzle, study it as we open these two panels. Select again.
Okay, let's look under number 13.
Green take.
Green take. And 22?
22, I don't believe so. That's carpeting. Tom?
Number 15.
Carpet.
And number 22?
Carpet. And a match. We're doing all of these matches naturally, and so far no wild cards have come up in this first round of play. Let's open these two panels. Try it again.
Let's try the right-hand side of the board, number 10.
Cozumel, Mexico.
Oh, number 4?
Cozumel, Mexico. Right.
A lovely trip.
2 more panels. Open them up. Select again.
At the bottom right, I'd like to uncover a puzzle piece under there. 25.
Washer and dryer.
I'm familiar with that. Number 11.
Diamond and amethyst ring. No match for you, Tom. When you said you're familiar with using a washer and dryer because you're the house husband, are you using disposable diapers or regular cloth?
I know it's environmentally unsound, but...
You're at home, you've got nothing to do.
Just me.
Just you, yes. All right, poor little Tom. Let's get back to Julie. She's smiling. She's doing well.
Number 19.
Wild card.
Okay, what do I want? Number 11, please.
Number 11, the diamond and amethyst ring. The other diamond and amethyst ring is right below it at 16. I thought you might have gone for one of the takes in order to grab the Mexican vacation, but this will...
I didn't think of that.
You didn't think of it? Well, that's all right. This is a lovely prize, as you saw. Let's open these 3 panels for Julie. Pick again.
Number 7.
His and her gym membership.
And number 24.
Wild card. Worked out well for you. You were in the right neighborhood, Julie. The his and her gym membership was at number 20, so you were very close when you selected 24. 3 more doors opening up for you. Is it enough? Pick again.
Number 8.
Washer and dryer.
And 25.
That's right.
Oh, good.
Washer and dryer. It leaves Tom. He really wanted this prize, I know. Open the 2 doors for Julie Kingsford. Pick again.
Jeez. Number 9.
There is still 1 wild card up there.
Okay,
There's the fishing equipment.
Matching number 17.
Fishing equipment. You're doing well. You don't need the wild card. 2 more panels. Select.
Okay, number 14.
Red take.
And 21. Oh.
Green
I
take.
mixed them up.
Tom, you lucked out.
Number 1.
Red take.
And number 14.
Red take. That's a match. And Julie has some good prizes up there.
She does.
She's got the washer and dryer.
Yes, she does.
She also has that ring.
Something for the wife. The diamond ring.
Something for the wife.
Yes.
Something for the
Gotta
little
keep
woman.
the household happy.
All right. The ring goes over to Tom's side, and he has a chance now to solve this puzzle. Can he do it?
Is it keep the faith, baby?
Looks like it. Keep the faith, baby.
Oh.
Tom kept the faith, waited and waited and waited, and finally had his chance. And it paid off. Come on, Tom, let's go to the board. And we will find out today if your face disappears into the puzzle again.
All right, I saw the key plus the P was keep. Then, of course, the. Fay Ray was in King Kong's hands. That was Fay plus TH, faith. And then the babe plus a B is baby. So it's keep the faith, baby.
Well done. Julie, we're going to take you backstage now, and I want you to do some talking to that crystal. You've got 1 X against you, but only 1. You'll be back to playing game number 2 in a little bit. We'll see you then, all right? Tom, you won some prizes. Some good stuff. Gene, tell him.
Okay, Alex, carpet. Horizon House plush nylon wall-to-wall carpet. This footprint-fighting casual texture features a stain release for timeless beauty furnished by Horizon House. And the scooter and skateboards. Veriflex's SXP series skateboards for fun and competition. Colorful graphics on a sturdy board, plus the steel frame Strata scooter furnished by Veriflex. And Cozumel, Mexico.
That's going to be nice.
We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Cozumel, and you'll spend 7 nights at the Club Cozumel Caribe, a scuba diver's paradise in the heart of the Mexican Caribbean. Nightly entertainment, barefoot discoing, snorkeling, fishing, sailing and instruction for new divers, furnished by Club Cozumel Caribe, and, of course, the beautiful diamond amethyst ring. And, Tom, these prizes are worth a big number. It's going to keep you in diapers for a long time. $6,547.
Yeah, over $6,000 for you and a chance to play for a brand new car. We'll see how well he does in that round after this. Tom's doing his television Lamaze technique. Deep breathing here, getting ready for the bonus round. That's it. Good. You ready?
Yes.
All right. 15 numbered squares. 40 seconds on the clock for you. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No.
7, 8,
No.
10, 11,
No.
8, 10,
Right.
13, 14,
No.
2, 3,
No.
6, 9,
No.
12, 6,
Right.
15, 2,
No.
13, 2,
Right.
14, 15,
Yes.
11, 3,
No.
5, 9.
Right. You're just starting to cook towards the
I
end.
was.
You missed that 2-13 combination very early on. You went back a couple of times trying to make that, and it didn't work out for you, and I think that cost you a lot of time. But hey, you've got $6,577. You've just got the one strike against you. You're going to play again when we come back against Julie with the crystal. We added an extra prize in this second game today, which means that we will have just the one wild card for you two players. Take a look over here, and we'll show you the prize.
A traditional tea and coffee service in elegant gold plate with tea and coffee service, sugar bowl, creamer, and footed tray, furnished by the Michael C. Fina Company. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. Julie and Tom, take a look on our game board. You'll see it at number 13. Now, we did not have a winner for the cash spot on our last show, and so we've added $100. That's up to $1,000. We have the 5 bonus seconds in this round and a vacation in Quebec. Quebec, Canada. Julie, you go first.
Okay, I'm gonna look for the vacation under number 20. Stereo.
Stereo.
That'll do. I'll look for wild card or match under number 11.
Rope hammock, no match. Tom.
Number 4.
5 bonus
yes,
card seconds.
Yes, yes. Wild card, 17.
Stereo, no match. But Julie's
Thank you.
clapping and thanking you for helping her make this match.
Okay, number 20.
That's a stereo.
And the match for the stereo under number 17.
You are right. Both on the same line. Let's see what they reveal. Anything important? Hard to tell at this stage.
Yeah.
Pick again.
Okay, I'll look to the right at number 5.
Diamond and sapphire pendant.
Okay, and number 23.
Quebec, Canada
there it
vacation. No
is.
match there. Tom, over
There's
here.
the vacation. How about 16?
Cash pot, that's
Oh.
$1,000.
Number 7.
Green take, no match. Julie,
Okay.
does it... Now, I notice you're holding the crystal. Would it affect the powers of the crystal if I were to touch it? I mean,
No.
That wouldn't take it anyway? Take away anything from you?
No, not at all.
Okay, I'm going to hold it. I'm going to squeeze it. Now, you make the selection. See if you can make a match.
Okay, I'm gonna look under number 8. You can keep it. Okay, and number 23.
Quebec, Canada vacation for the young lady.
Okay.
It only works when I'm holding a crystal and the vacation's in Canada.
Okay.
The other Quebec, Canada holiday is on the board behind number 18, so 3 doors opening up in that center column for you, Julie. I could do it again for you, but Tom would get upset. So
Yes.
you're on your own on this one.
Okay, I can do it. Number 1, please.
Red take.
Should we see that? Number 12, please. Oh.
Nope, diamond and sapphire pendant. Tom.
Number 5
Diamond and sapphire
and
pendant.
12 for the match.
Good match. Open it up. Go again.
Number 19.
Gourmet pasta and sauces.
Number 3.
5 bonus car seconds. No match. Julie?
I'm going to look under number 2.
5 shares of Sears stock.
And I'm going to look for the match under number 16.
No, that's the cash
let me
pot.
look.
We're starting to repeat some of the prizes we've exposed. Tom?
Number 4.
5
And
bonus car
number 3.
seconds. And number 3. Yeah! Probably got thrown a little while ago when you saw it there, and you said, gosh, that's where I revealed it.
Right, it was right up
Took you a
there.
moment to realize that it was in the adjoining box.
It did.
All right, open it up. Pick again.
Number 6. And number 19.
We've seen the pasta and the sauces, and that's where we saw them, so another match for Tom. He gets another chance to solve this puzzle. Go again.
Oh, boy. Number 11.
Rope hammock.
22.
Red take. Julie.
Okay, I'd like to see what's under number 1.
Red take.
And the match under 22.
22 is another red take.
Okay.
Does he have anything you would like?
Yeah, I'd like the 5 bonus car seconds.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You figure you're going to win this game.
Yeah.
Good thinking. Let's see how it works out right now as we open these 2 panels for you. Go again.
Okay. Number 15, please.
Gold tea and coffee service.
And was that under 13?
Gold tea and coffee service. Middle of the puzzle is going to reveal itself to you right now. Select again. Oh, there's the bell. Hands on your signaling button. We're going to start revealing. Number 2 is where we start. Number 7, 9, 10, 11, 14. Tom is in there first.
Slippery when wet.
Slippery when wet, says he, and he is
Right.
correct. I wonder if it's the fact that we had a baby up there in a diaper that gave it away. Let's go to the board, Tom.
Oh, we saw the SL and the hip plus the per plus E was slippery. The W plus the hen was when. And then the baby's diaper, which I've seen plenty of, wet. Slippery when wet.
Be happy when they are wet only. Nicely done, Tom. Julie, golly, 2 strikes against you. I'm sorry about that. Can't depend on that crystal. You better get a new one. But it was fun having you here, and you were a good sport.
All right,
Take
thank you.
care. Nice being with you.
Good luck, Tom.
All right, Tom. Let's hear about your prizes. You won some more. Gene, tell them.
Gourmet pasta and sauces. Pasta Mama brings convenience to gourmet cooking with its designer line of pasta. Everything from fettuccine alfredo to their line of dessert pastas and sauces. Furnished by Pasta Mama. And a diamond and sapphire pendant. Part of Kay Jewelers' classic collection, this elegant pendant contains an oval sapphire surrounded by 12 diamonds set in 14-karat gold. May add fire to any wardrobe furnished by Kay Jewelers. And Tom, our diaper king, has won a prize package worth $2,195.
Well done, Tom. Going to have 3/4 of a minute when you play the bonus round. But first, we've got to take a break. So we'll have these messages for the folks at home, and then we'll come back. Man has won a holiday in Cozumel, Mexico, some other prizes, well over $8,000, and now he wants to win a brand new car. Let's see if he can do it with these 15 numbered squares, and the clock showing 45 seconds. Good luck. Off you go, Tom.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No again.
7, 1,
Yes.
8, 2,
No.
10, 11,
No.
13, 14,
No.
8, 3,
No.
14, 6,
No.
9, 12,
No.
8, 15,
No.
9, 2,
No.
6, 13,
No.
8, 11,
No.
3,
Your voice is changing. Just kept going lower and lower. Oh. I think you got a little confused with the charade and the cabriolet.
I did.
That seemed to be your problem. But $8,772 in prizes is nothing to sneeze at. Good total. And we'll take a break. Gene?
Some of today's participants may receive Schlage Keep Safer Home Security System. State-of-the-art electronics you can install yourself with only a screwdriver. Peace of mind at home or away. Furnished by Schlage. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
See you tomorrow.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.